my channel. If you're new, I'm Shakera, and I'd appreciate if you guys went ahead and subscribe and also turn that post notification on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And in today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look using black owned makeup brand, and I don't have like a whole collection to do like a full face, but we're about to improvise and we're about to break some makeup rules. And before I get into that, I just want to address what's going on in today's world with all the police brutality and their diabolical behavior. Like, it's just sad and it's absolutely disgusting. And for a girl like me who's coming from Jamaica, racism was very foreign to me. And over the years, I had to, educate myself, and seeing it a lot on social media and on the news, it was very eye-opening. And the fact that I've had an abysmal experience with racism, it was very scary and made me realize, like, this is real life shit. Also, I just want to say, like, it's so us that we're all coming together, protesting, and I'm just so elated that we're finally being heard, because it's full time. These cops start treating us like humans. We want to live in this world without fear. We don't want, when the cops pull us over, we gotta worry about, am I gonna make it home? Is the tone that I'm talking in the correct tone? Like, we don't want those kind of problems. We want problems like the other set of people has. Like, their problem, the only thing they have to worry about, oh, how much is this ticket gonna be? And also, there's a lot of people out there talking about all lives matter. Like, sweetie, of course all lives matter. Like, no one was ever in denial. But the world that we're living in today, black people are being targeted. Black people are being killed. Black people are being racially profiled. So right now, at this moment, Black Lives Matter. I haven't been physically out protesting, but I've definitely been signing petitions and donating, and I hope you guys are doing the same. And also, go ahead and vote. I just want you guys to be safe out there, and just pray, because this world definitely needs a change, and it needs to change right now. So with all that being said, let's get into this makeup look. So if you guys hear any knocking, that's because they're doing housework. And we're not gonna let that ruin our day, We about to be great. We about to continue this video. And for any product that I use that's not black owned, I won't be showing it. Hopefully I remember to do so, because my brain be all over the place sometimes. But yes, so I already primed my face, and I didn't do that on camera because of course it's not black owned. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and it's in the shade 330. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lid. I'm just tapping it in, blending it out, because we want like a nice base so these eyeshadows could sit and not move around. And I don't know what palettes I'm using exactly. I have the Perception palette by MakeupShayla, and this palette is absolutely bomb. I also have the ItsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette, and this palette is very beautiful. I haven't used it a lot, and I honestly don't know why, but this palette is gorgeous. And I also have the famous Juvias Zulu palette. Like, this palette right here is B.O.M.B.com, and everyone needs it. Like, if you're like a bold, colorful girl, this is the palette you need. Like, look how gorgeous these colors are. Like, it's so beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and let me just go ahead and grab a brush. I'm gonna go in with Control Freak. It's this pretty brown shade. I'm just gonna use that as my transition color. But this is a very good palette, and I think I've used this palette probably once, but I already finished adding the transition color. I think I'm gonna go in with Connie, and it's this dark purple, and I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going in my Juvia's Place palette and I'm using that purple eyeshadow and packing it on the center of my eyes. And Juvia's Place palette is very pigmented. Like, I'm just so obsessed with this palette. Like, it's so bomb and everyone needs it. Even though their customer service is not the best, but their product speaks for itself. So I'm gonna go back in with the dark purple eyeshadow and I'm gonna try to blend that in with the shadow that I just used, because we don't want no line of demarcation. We want everything nice and blended. I think I'm going with a half cut crease, and again I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm just gonna apply it on my lid and then look up. Like, that's my trick of cutting my crease. If I'm supposed to do it free-handedly, it's not gonna be so precise. So to set my cut crease, I'm using the shadow Nudist in the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. So now I'm doing some touch-ups with the purple eyeshadows because we want this look to pop, okay? I'm really loving this look so far. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna add shadow on the bottom of my eyes, and I'm gonna do that after I finish applying my face. And I don't have a black on foundation. I'm just gonna go straight to concealer and contouring. And hopefully this works. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty matte stick, and I'm using Truffle to contour. I haven't used this in so long because I wasn't really a fan of it, but I'm gonna try again just to see. And because I have high cheekbones, I try to make my contour subtle because I'm not trying to look like Maleficent. I like to bring my contour just a little bit down in the center of my forehead because we're trying to create an illusion, okay? We're trying to make this 5 head into like a 2 head. How everything looks. It looks pretty decent. Like, this is a straight concealer on my face, no foundation. I didn't even color correct because I normally color correct, but I kind of missed that step. I think for the bottom part of my eyes, I'm going in with this pretty color. Looks nice. I ain't gonna lie, it looks really good. So I didn't set my face. I normally use a non-black owned setting powder, but I think I'm gonna go with the ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and I'm gonna try and set with this color right here, and I'm just gonna go light because I don't know what's gonna happen. This might turn out very badly. Just realized I didn't contour my nose, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do so. And I like to powder contour my nose, and I'm gonna use the shade Mocha. I'm using Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco to set my cream contour. Now that I've set my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply lashes. And these lashes, are my mom's lashes. If you guys are interested in buying, you could definitely hit me up on Instagram at Shakera. And these are what they look like. They are so gorgeous. So lashes are on and they look bomb as fuck. And now I'm just gonna apply highlighter. I'm using the Jackie Aina Artist Couture Glow Powder in La Peach. For the lips, the product that I line my lips with is not black owned, so I'm gonna try something a bit different. Hopefully it works. So the cream contour from the Fenty matte stick, use this to outline my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with MakeupShayla lipstick in Quickie. I think I like it. Like, okay sis, this look is bomb. It looks good. I wish I was going somewhere because this is pretty as fuck. If you guys like this look as much as I do and you've reached this far in the video, definitely leave some purple hearts down below. And I'm just living for this look. I'll probably spend the entire day in this makeup look. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.